E-learning with NUT Endo Model Science School, MENA.
Of NUT Endo Model Science School. How are you doing? Welcome to online class with Teacher Monday. Are we ready? Are we good to go? All right. Let's get our writing materials ready. Please pick your pencil and your notebook. Are we together? All right. Now, write today's date. What's today's date? Okay, write today's date. The subject is numeracy. Write numeracy. Topic. If you could recall, in our last class, we discussed division of numbers, isn't it? I did promise that we're going to continue the discussion, right? Very good. So today we're going to discuss word problem involving division. Word problem involving division. Class, what is division? Division means sharing. Correct. Division means sharing. Well done. Let's move on. All right. And word problem also means stating mathematical problem using words. Right? Very good. This is not the first time we'll be treating a topic involving word problem. Right? We have discussed word problem involving addition, isn't it? Today we shall be discussing word problem involving division. Are we together? Are we together? All right, so let's have our first question. Example 1. Here comes the question. Can we read together? I want us to read together. If 5 pupils, how many pupils? 5 pupils. And these 5 pupils have wonderful names. Alright, so let's get to know the names of these 5 wonderful pupils. We have Ayo, Mary, Ado, Pam, and Uche. If 5 pupils, Ayo, Mary, Ado, Pam, and Uche, share 15 oranges. How many oranges? 15 oranges. How many oranges will each of them have? This is a word problem. Are we together? I hope you are ready. Class, class, class. All right. So we write solution. Solution. Now let's use the information that has been given to us to solve this problem. And the information we have is that, look at it, number of pupils. We were given the information concerning the number of pupils and how many. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and what? 5. 5 pupils. Right? Very good. Now, these 5 pupils are to share, or actually shared 15 oranges, isn't it? Now, we also have this information that what was shared for these 5 people, what these 5 people have to share is 15 oranges. Right? Very good. So we write number of oranges is what? 15. Are we together? Remember, we did say in division of number, we have dividends and divisor. Yes, I also want to show me the dividend. Alright, the dividend is 15. What then is divisor? 5. 2. We represent our dividends with bits and the divisor with our skittles. Very good. Okay. Alright, so we have to bring out the question. Are we together? Remember, this mathematical question or problem is stated using words, right? Now we have to bring out the mathematical interpretation using figures. Are you together? Very good. I want to be using numbers now. So we have 15. Yes. What I want to write next? Alright, division sign. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. Now this is the information we're able to get from the question or the problem at hand. Are we together? Alright, we write equal to. So are we ready to draw our skittles and then share the dividends, which are the bits for the skittles? Very good. Alright, let's move on. Alright, so we have a skittle. And what did we say this skittle represent? Divisor. These skittles represent the pupils that are to share 15 oranges. Okay? Alright, so I want you to tell me the name of the first pupil. What is his name? Okay. Yes, you got it. Ayo. Very good. Ayo, the first name. Alright? So we also have another pupil. And what's the name? We have Mary. Okay? Followed by, right? Ado. Good. And then we have Pam. And the last person is it Bola? No, please. The last person is Uche. Alright, so these are the 5 pupils, wonderful pupils that are going to share 15 oranges. Are we together? Alright, so what's the next step? We share our dividends for the skittles, right? Which represent the divisor, right? Very good. So let's share. Alright, so Ayo, we give Ayo 1 bit, which represents 1 orange. Okay? Alright, we give Mary 1. So we count. Okay? So we count, we have shared 2. So we count 1, 2. So as we are sharing it for them, we'll be counting the bits. Okay? Alright? So 3, 4, 5. Okay? We go back again. We share for Ayo and we continue the counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We have shared the dividends or oranges for these 5 pupils. Okay? Now, what's the next thing to do? We need to count and find out how many each person will have, or how many each person has gotten. Are we together? Alright. So let's move on. Let's count. Count with me. Please open your mouth. Are we together? Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Uche got how many oranges? 3 oranges. Okay? Alright. So we write 3. Is that clear? Are we together? Do you understand? Alright. Let's move on. So let's count and find out how many Pam got. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So we write 3. Okay, let's count are those oranges. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We write 3. Okay, now let's count maize. 1, 2, 3. Mary also got 3 oranges, so we write 3. Are we together? Okay, and then the last person here, Ayo. Let's count Ayo's oranges. 1, 2, 3. Ayo got 3 oranges, so we write 3. Are you enjoying the class? I can't hear you. Good, children. All right. So what is the answer? The question says, how many oranges will each of them have, isn't it? Now, we write the statement, or write this statement. Let's read together. Each of them will have 3 oranges. Each of them will have 3 oranges. Are we together? All right. Okay. Let's move on. Example 2. Okay, let's see the question. Let's read together. Are we together? If teacher Haruna shares 8 sweets to his 2 sons, how many sweets will his first son get? If teacher Haruna shares 8 sweets to his 2 sons, how many sweets will his first son get? Alright, can we solve this question? It's very simple, right? I like that. Very simple, isn't it? So let's solve it together. We write solution. Okay? Have you written solution? Good. Let's move on. Now we are going to interpret this question mathematically, or this problem that has been given to us. We are going to use numbers to represent or interpret the question so that we'll be able to solve it very well. Now we have 8. From the question, we are meant to understand that teacher Haruna shares 8 sweets to his 2 sons, isn't it? So if teacher Haruna shares 8 sweets, we have 8. So he shared, that means what? Division. So we're going to write a division sign. Correct. Clap for yourselves. Very good. So we have 8 divided by how many sons? We are told teacher Haruna has 2 sons, right? Very good. So we're going to share 8 sweets for teacher Haruna's 2 sons. Is that clear? So we have 2. So let's read the question again. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. And that is equal to, do you know the answer already? Somebody said yes. Are you sure? So what is the answer? Nice try. Wonderful. But hold on. Let's work it out so that we are double sure of the answer you have given. Okay? Good children. Keep it up, okay? Wow. That's nice. So let's work it out. Alright? So we're going to use our key tools to represent the divisor, which is 2, right? Very good. Here we have teacher Haruna's first son. The first son. Now this key tool represents teacher Haruna's first son. Are we together? Very good. Okay, let's move on. Alright, so his second son. First son, second son. Now what we are going to do, we are going to share a suite for Teacher Haruna's two sons, okay? The first son and the second son. Are we together? Thank you. So let's do that quickly. Alright, to the first son we give one suite. Now the second son we give one suite. But as we are sharing it, we'll be counting. So we have 1, 2. We have shared 2 suites, okay? Very good. So let's write down. We are supposed to share 8, isn't it? So let's continue. So we continue to share until we get to 8 before we stop, okay? All right. So let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have shared 8 suites for Teacher Haruna's 2 sons. Now I want to find out how many suites his first son will get, and how many suites the second son will equally get. Are you together? All right. So let's move on. Very good. So we're counting for the second son. Teacher Haruna's second son. We're going to count how many suites his second son will get. But remember the question is, how many suites will his first son get? Are you together? Very good. We're going to count for the 2 of them anyway, and then we'll find out. Okay? All right. So 1 suite for the first son. We are counting the suite for the second son, rather. We are counting the suite for the second son. So 1. Count with me. 2, 3, and 4. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 4. Have you done that? Very good. Hello, pay attention. We're still counting. Be fast. We're waiting. We're waiting, okay? All right. So for the first one, let's count. 1, count with me. 2, open your mouth. 3 and 4. So the first one got how many suites? 4 suites. 4 suites. So we write 4. Have you done that? All right. I can see some people jumping. They are jubilating. You got the answer right? Well done. Nice work. Okay. So I'm still going to write the statement. Okay. So what are you going to write? His first son will get 4 suites. If Teacher Haruna shares 8 suites to his 2 sons, his first son will get 4 suites. All right. At this point, I want you to clap for yourself. That's the way I like it. We can do it. I like it. Well done. I hope you are following. Very good. Now let's move on. Let's see another example. It's very simple, as you can see. Division is it's a very simple operation, isn't it? All right. You agree with me, right? Thumbs up, guys. Right on. Let's see another example. Example 3. All right. Let's read the question. Find the quotient of 18 and 3. Find the quotient of 18 and 3. Remember in our last class, we discussed what quotient means, right? And we say quotient is simply what? The final answer you get when you carry out a division operation, isn't it? Now, this question seeks to know what the final answer will be when 18 dividends is shared to a 3 divisor. Are we together? Very good. So it's very simple, isn't it? Find the quotient of 18 and 3. All right. So we write solution. Okay, so we write 18. Okay, quotient. For us to get the quotient, we must divide 18 by 3. Are we together? Okay, so 18. Yes, divide by 3. 18 divide by 3. That is the question. Okay, so we proceed to draw our skittles, isn't it? But before then, we have to write equal to. Okay, very good. Now let's move on. We have the first skittle. How many skittles are supposed to draw? 3 skittles, isn't it? Very good. Very good. We have the second skittle and then the third skittle. Are we together? So we have 3 skittles representing the divisor. Okay. Now I'm going to share 18 bits to these 3 divisor or skittles. Okay. Very good. Are we go? Good to go. Good to go. Good to go. All right. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep sharing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Are you together? We have shared 18 beads to these 3 skittles. Are you together? Very good. Now what's the next thing to do? We have to find out how many each skittle got, right? And in doing this, we must count. Okay? Very good. So are we ready? Okay, let's count. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write 6. Class, class, class. Are we together? All right. For the second skittle, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We write 6. Now, to the last skittle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write 6. Why are we doing this? We want to be sure that we have shared the bits equally for all the skittles. Are you together? And that is why after we need to answer down. So we counted for the first skittle, we got 6. The second skittle also got 6. So we are not supposed to stop because the 2 skittle, when we counted, we got the same answer. That is not enough for us to assume that the answer is actually 6. We have to also count for the last skittle to be sure that each skittle got 6. Are we together? Good. So you don't stop at any point and assume. We have to count all the bits that have been shared and be sure that the answers are the same. Are we together? Very good. Before we write. Hello? So we write our answer. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to, what's the answer? Can I hear you say 6? Yes, say 6. Everybody? 6. Yes, 6 is the answer. 6 is the answer. Hello, are we together? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Well done. Very good. So we have seen 3 examples. We have to solve 3 examples, isn't it? Now at this point, are we ready? Very good. Now let's see our homework question. I want you to solve this question. Take your time and solve the question very well, as you have been doing. I'm proud of you. I saw your last homework. You did very well, right? I've seen it. You did very, very well, and I'm proud of you. So keep it up, okay? So I'm going to give you these questions. I expect that you equally do justice to it. Okay? Very good. Let's move on. Now, the first question. Let's read together. Question number 1. Homework. If Mr. Mustafa shares 12 pencils to his 2 daughters, how many pencils will his second daughter have? I repeat. Let's read together. In fact, if Mr. Mustafa shares 12 pencils to his 2 daughters, how many pencils will his second daughter have? A very simple question, right? Very good. Yes, simple. It's very simple. So I trust that you do justice to it. Let's see question number 2. I actually have 3 questions for you. Question number 2. Amanda was given 10 kobo and she was asked to share the money equally with her brother. Amanda. You know Amanda, right? Yes, please. She was given 10 kobo and she was asked to share the money equally with her brother. Question. How much do you think Amanda will give to her brother? How much do you think Amanda will give to her brother? Are you together? All right. Question number 3. Question number 3. We have the question here. Find the quotient of 30 and 3. Find the quotient of 30 and 3. Are we good to go? Very good. So take your time and do your homework. I'll see you in our next class with another interesting topic. So stay safe and be good.